Property management software solutions have the ability to speed up and simplify rent collection, streamline maintenance management, assist in marketing and screening, and so much more. One of those solutions is TurboTenant, a property management tool which is mostly defined by its free plan. But is it the best option if you're looking for a tool for a large or mid-sized portfolio? In this video, we'll cover everything about TurboTenant, as well as some alternatives that might be better suited for you. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Santiago with DoorLoop. Now, before we get started, let me remind you that I am not an attorney, so I cannot give you any legal advice or financial advice. And yes, I do work for DoorLoop. TurboTenant reviews, pricing, features, and alternatives. What is TurboTenant? TurboTenant is a property management software with a mostly free plan that offers a good number of features. With its low-priced option, it serves as a good starting place for landlords with one or a few properties who are looking to see how property management software can help them manage their properties. TurboTenant features. TurboTenant features include online rent payments, leasing tools, tenant screening tools, and rental listings. TurboTenant pricing. TurboTenant offers a mostly free plan that can cost nothing for the landlord because it shifts some of the costs over to the tenant. Depending on how you do business, this may or may not be preferable to you. Some of the added features that will cost you include state-specific lease agreements, lease addendums, e-signatures, landlord forms back. TurboTenant pros and cons. While there are some clear pros, there are also some glaring cons that you should be aware of when comparing TurboTenant to another software. Pro: 24/7 support. TurboTenant offers 24/7 support that helps position it as a decent starting point for those who are unfamiliar with property management software. Pro: free to use. While not entirely free, TurboTenant does offer a mostly free plan that is perfect for independent landlords. TurboTenant alternatives. While TurboTenant has benefits, it also has some major drawbacks that might make you want to look for a more powerful or better rated alternative. Here are a few great TurboTenant alternatives. DoorLoop. DoorLoop is a full-service property management tool with an extensive list of features, 5-star average rating across every major review platform, with rave reviews about both its great customer service and ease of use. DoorLoop features include automatic rent payments, automatic listings, maintenance management, full accounting suite, seamless, easy-to-use tenant communication tools, property website, leasing and screening tools, and much more. DoorLoop pricing. DoorLoop comes in at just $49 per month for up to 20 units, with the lion's share of its features in its basic plan. Simple and easy to use, but incredibly powerful, and above all, transparent. See what DoorLoop can do for your portfolio. There's a link right there in the description with DoorLoop's website, all right? So you can check that out now or after you finish the video. MRI Living. MRI Living is another option for those looking for something with a more robust feature set than TurboTenant. They don't offer transparent pricing, which typically means that the software is pricey. And users report that the software can be a bit clunky, but they do have a great number of premium features. MRI Living features: online rent payments, tenant portal, leasing and screening tools, MRI pricing. MRI doesn't list its pricing publicly, so you'll have to contact their sales team directly. PropertyWare. PropertyWare is yet another option, this one particularly well suited for single-family housing. They offer a great feature set, though with a high barrier to entry, being designed for those with 250 plus properties. PropertyWare features automatic rent payments, maintenance management, and good reporting tools. PropertyWare pricing. PropertyWare uses an affordable $1 per unit per month model. However, it comes with a $250 monthly minimum, so you'll be paying far more per unit if you have any less than 250 properties. Okay, so let's wrap it up. As you can see, every property management tool is a little bit different. Which tool is best for you will depend on a variety of factors, such as what features you want and need, how important intangibles like ease of use and customer service are to you, and of course, your budget. Regardless of what tool you pick, we hope that this video helped you get a little bit closer towards finding the property management tool that works for you. And remember, if you're looking for a tool that offers the best of all worlds, including a robust feature set, customer-loving ease of use, responsive customer service, and affordable competitive pricing, then check out DoorLoop and learn why DoorLoop is the perfect TurboTenant alternative. As I said, there's a link right there in the description for you. All right? Okay, so that is all for now. Now remember, if you want to get access to a lot more real estate videos, such as issuing a notice to tenant to remove pets, or how and when to issue a notice of abandonment to your tenants, then subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share with your friends, with your team, with your family, with everybody. And as always, thanks for watching.